Regarding naman po dun sa attendance po ng respondent, VP Duterte, sa first hearing bukas, any feeler po from her camp?
Wala tayong nare-receive about the possibility of the Vice President attending our hearing tomorrow, no? But again, we are still hopeful kasi sabi ko nga, ang tagal na nitong mga katanungan na to, questions on the confidential fund, questions on the threat committed against the president, questions on unexplained wealth. I think it's about time na marinig na ng taong bayan ang kasagutan ng ating vice-presidente. Paano kung hindi dumating si VP, our respondent, then they will not be able to present their evidence, their witnesses, to counter the allegations of offenses and grounds. And that is why I've been saying that this is a significant opportunity for her to challenge the complaint, no? As a matter of fact, itong opportunity na ito, there's a possibility also that the complaint will be dismissed if she will be able to controvert, to refute the allegations in the complaint. But if she will not avail of this opportunity, again, the allegations in the complaint will stand. And the possibility is the justice members might vote in favor of the existence of probable cause, no? Simple lang yan eh. Kung walang nag-question, kung walang nag-challenge, kung walang nag-controvert, syempre, ang magiging consideration ng justice members will be the complaint alone.